Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to work on the on question C that says that we should draw last question B that says that we should draw end elevation in direction of ROE. We have worked on the plan, which is what we see here, and we have also worked on sectional front elevation on plane ZZ, and that is what we have here. Now we want to work on question B, which is end elevation in direction of ROE. That means we are looking at the object in this direction, and it's whatever we see around here that we are to produce as the as the end elevation in direction of ROE. So let's start. So we have drawn the plan and we have drawn the front elevation. So what we need to do, we need to make use of some things here which I'm going to show you. So the first thing that we need to do is to take our 45 degree set square, setting it at this point on the front elevation, and through that we are going to draw a line that will be at an angle 45 degree to the horizontal. So I should have drawn an horizontal line here. So from here I will draw a horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line like this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that from the plan I'm to draw horizontal line from the plan. Don't forget that this particular drawing involves the use of and the scale given to us is 3/2. So that's the scale given to us, so which we have made use of here in the plan and also in the front elevation. So we may not need to make use of that particular scale here for the end elevation, but let's look at how it's going to be. Just follow me. So from this point we have to draw horizontal line, and from this point also, so we have to draw horizontal line from this point. Okay, so and then so from here, so we draw horizontal line from this point here in the plan. So we draw horizontal line to meet this inclined line, and also so the center line here we also draw horizontal line from it like this, and also from this point we also draw horizontal line from this point. Also from this point we draw horizontal line like this, and also here we draw horizontal line. Okay, so with all the horizontal lines that we have drawn here, that each of them touch this inclined line. Okay, so what we need to do now is to take our set square and we are going to draw a vertical line from each of these points. So where the horizontal line touches the inclined line. So here we draw a vertical line. Okay, so we are placing the end elevation here. So we need to, I believe you know that. So also, so from here we also draw a vertical line. Okay, so here also we draw a vertical line. Then here we draw a vertical line. And here we also draw a vertical line. Then here we draw a vertical line. And here we also draw a vertical line. Alright, so now we don't have to worry ourselves about the distance from here to here for the end elevation, because as we are told here that we have the scale to be 3:2, which we have made use of to get a distance from here to here. So distance from here to here is now equal to the distance from here to here. So we don't have to take that distance again. So what we need to do now, so everything that we need is already in the plan and also in the front elevation here. So what we don't need to do now is that we are still going to draw horizontal line from this point. So we draw horizontal line from this point. Okay, so from this point also we draw horizontal line. That is in this front elevation. Here we draw horizontal line. So also, so from this point we are going to draw horizontal line. We draw horizontal line, and then so from here also we draw horizontal line from here. Okay, so then at this point we draw horizontal line. Okay, all right. So our work is very quick now. So it's very quick now. So what we need to do now is to bring out the shape of the end elevation by looking at the uh, the object given to us. So now distance from here to here, as I said, is the distance from here to here. So it's going to be a thick line. So let's be doing that at once so that that will not take us time. So we make this line a thick line. So like this. So make this line a thick line like this. So then another thing that we have here, because in the end elevation we have to show this particular part, we have to show this shape as we have it here, we have to show it. So which is not in the sectional front elevation. This is sectional front elevation. It's not actually the front elevation. The sectional front elevation, even for the front elevation, is going to be like this. So except that we will not ash this surface, and then we also need to put some things here in the front if it is normal front elevation. Okay, now so what we need to do, we need to bring out this shape as we are given here, and they said this line is at angle 45 degree to the horizontal, and distance from this point to this line here is 10 millimeters. So if we divide 10 millimeters by if we multiply 10 millimeters by 3/2, that's going to give us 15. So we just need to take a measurement of 15 millimeters up. So here we take 15 millimeters up. Okay, so this is 15 millimeters, and then so we are going to transfer it to this side. Okay, so here we draw the line just to get it at this point. Then with our 45 degrees set square, so we set our 45 degrees set square. So 45 degrees set square. So at this point, so we are going to draw a line. So from here, so it goes like this, and also on this side, it also goes like this. Okay, so we have the shape as we are given in. So the shape, this is the shape that we are talking about. So this shape. So and then, so going up here. So going up here. So we need to locate this point where we have this line and this line apart from this. So we also put that there. So let's get this point and this point. Where do we have it? It is here. So we have what? We have the line. So we have the line, but we need to draw a vertical line to this point here. That is this line from here to here, and this line from here to here. So we need to draw them and make it a thick line. So I'm going to make this a thick line like this. I'll also make this a thick line like this. Okay, then for this curve that we have here, so for this semicircle that we have here, so it is the distance from here, it starts from here to here, it starts from here to here. So we need to bring it out right now. So if you follow this line here, so that is where we have it. So we need to bring it out. So I will just come and take this distance from this point here, which is the radius, and I put it at this point here, then I will draw. So I will draw like this. So don't worry about the lines. Don't worry about the lines. Okay. So you just need to bring out the shape. The shape is what we are focusing on. We are focusing on the shape. Then, so this line here and this line here, we have to bring them out. So this is where we have the lines. So we have one here. So we make this a thick line, and we also make this a thick line from here to here. So we are working on the shape now. So then this rectangle that we have here and this rectangle that we have here, so we are going to have them. So it is along this line. It's along this line. So we have it from here to here, and this. So also, so we have this. So we just need to make this a thick line like this. Okay. So then this is also a thick line. Okay. So then, so we make this a thick line, and then so the line okay, So also make this a thick line like this. Okay. Alright, so then, so on the upper part here, so we have this line goes like this. This line goes like this, so we need to draw it. That is from here to here. So we draw the line. Alright, so the shape is coming out little by little. So we are moving on. So then what we have left here, at this point, there is a line at this point on this curve that is not going to be seen, and that is along this line that we drew here. So we need to make this line short dashes line from this point. Okay, so from here, so make it a short dashes line. Alright, so we have this. So next that we have here is that, so this part that we have here for this is going to give us just a rectangle or a square. I don't know how it's going to be. So then where do we have it? We have it along this line like this. This is along this line, and also we have it along this line. So this line like this. So it's along this line, along this particular line. So we just draw it like this, and also we draw it like this. They have the same dimension. So okay, so then we also make this line a thick line like this. Alright, so this is how the end elevation will look. As simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you.